Good evening, brothers and sisters. We've got some plasma coming our way. We had a small flare. We're over here at SDO, and looks like between the 5th and the 6th we had a coronal mass ejection right here on this guy. You can see it light up. See all that? See that? It comes off. And that's about all that I saw come off of here. I haven't seen anything else, but when we go and check the charts, it shows that there's a significant amount. So let's go take a peek. Let's check out another angstrom, shall we? Here we're at 193 angstroms. Let's go ahead and roll this beautiful bean footage. Take a peek. We do have some plasma coming at us. We'll check the charts here in just a minute. I'll show you. But you see a little bit of plasma coming here, and you see some. I mean, there's a little bit. There's a little bit there, and then you see a nice little release come from over here. You can see the whoosh. See that? That's about all that I've seen. Doesn't look like it's a major one, but it's showing us there's going to be quite a bit more. Okay, folks, over here at 304 angstroms, see this arc of a filament right here? Apparently there was a nice little filament. Look at that, whoosh, and that got released. That's what's actually coming at us. So let's go see the charts and see what it's going to do to us. That'll be fun times. Okay, over here at Space Weather Prediction Center, it shows that we're going to start. You can see a little bit of plasma starting to hit us tomorrow. So you can see we start off way down here in our plasma density, and it just kind of keeps just keeps going up in a slow, steady stream, and then looks like we're going to be hit by about 15 to 16 centimeters cubed, maybe, worth of density. So that's very odd, because it looked like just a normal old release. Let's go check out a couple other things here, shall we? Okay, here we are over here at Enlil, and we can see that we're going to be getting some of that, but it's black along the edges. Well, that would mean it's 60 centimeters cubed, wouldn't it? According to this, that's what that means. I mean, because you can see the yellow and the green. I mean, the black, that's not there to outline for the ease of the eye, but it looks like a direct hit here, coming off of here. Pop. So, I'm not understanding here. What's happening? Well, let's go take a look at a more reliable source that seems to usually be more accurate. And that's going to be right here. Space Weather, European Space Agency. And as you can see, we're going to be here right about 45 centimeters cubed of density. And you can see how it comes up, but instead of being a slow drag up, you can actually see where it kind of hits us and then whoop. So that's a little more accurate, I think. Let's go ahead and hit play and see what we get. If it's gonna play, what's it doing here? Play. There we go. So the release was on the 6th. Got a little glancing blow by that guy. Boy, look at all that. Woof, don't want to be on the way of that thing. But boop, there it is. So it's showing the release was like on the 6th, I guess. Let's take a look at the date and see when it starts actually coming this way. That doesn't even show it coming this way here. Just a drag by. Well, that's odd. I don't understand that. I mean, those are clear eruptions. Woof. Yeah, woof. Could you imagine being in the way of that thing? Oof, that would hurt. So yeah, this is kind of an interesting one. But just be ready, folks, and it's looking like it's going to get here on the 11th. So just so that everybody is aware, we'll kind of speed her up here. Now this is all UTC time, 11:11. Looks like we're going to pick 11:12. So 6 a.m. UTC time. That'll be 5 a.m. or actually 1 a.m. on the 12th Central Standard Time here in the United States. Stay safe out there, folks. Please.